You want to mix it?
Yes, please.
Okay, half and half?
Yes, please.
Chamoy and tahini?
Yes, please. But
Okay.
is it possible if I also get a top?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome.
This
Thank you.
one's fit. It's so good.
Have you tried this one before?
You know their secret menu? That's what it is. They never want it.
So you've had this mix before?
I have. Yeah.
Okay. All right. There you go. Thank you so much.
Thank you.